up, beautiful people? My name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day, and today's video is going to be my first impressions trying a bunch of Glamierre products. This is a brand I haven't tried before. They are sponsoring today's video, but I have not been instructed to say anything good about this brand specifically. Today I'm just going to give you my first thoughts on it. We're going to try some things out. I want to do a really cool, fun, colorful eye look today, but nothing too complicated, something that you guys can still recreate, because of course this makeup channel is not about having fantastic, amazing, beautiful skills. It's really about making a really cute look, even if you don't have the best skills in the world, because I know I don't. But today I just want to do a really fun, colorful eye look. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, before we get started, all makeup on this channel is cruelty-free, and so is Glamierre. These are also really affordable products too, which is really cool. When I looked on their site, there's a ton of different stuff up there. So I have a bunch of things we're going to talk about today, and then we'll figure out which, I don't know which I'm going to use, what products I'm going to use for this eye look yet, but I just I'm feeling kind of bland. My skin doesn't look too great. Let's do something colorful. So, firstly, we have some loose pigments. We have some neon pigments here. I'm going to open all these up for you so we can see them up close. Alright, so here are neon pigments. Wow, they look really cool on camera. This first one is Orange Burst. It's a neon, corally orange color. This next one is Vitamin C, which is super neon orange and really intimidating. But Halloween makeup, hello? Hello? This next one is Flamingo, which is hot, hot, hot pink. I don't even know if I've ever used such hot pink color on my eyes before. These are so neon. This one's Bora Bora, which is a really pretty blue, which I really like. And then the last one is Electra, which is extremely purple, but it's a deep royal purple, which is super cool. Honestly, I really like the hot pink one and this neon orangey one, but the blue one's pretty too. I don't know, they're all really cute. So let's try to use at least one of these on today's eye look for something fun and colorful. Now let's talk about palettes. I have 3 palettes to choose from. I don't know which one I want to use because they're all really cute. This first one is Sunkissed. Let's see what this one looks like. I've already opened this one. This is a highlighter palette, I believe. Yes, this one's the highlighter palette. Really cute. I kind of like this shimmer shade right here. It's kind of like a champagne. Really cute. It looks purple on camera. It's kind of champagne-y in real life. So we have the highlighter palette, which is really pretty, and it doesn't have a scent. I sniffed it already. It doesn't have a scent, which is great if you don't like scents. This next palette is the Island Babe palette. This one might actually pair well with the neon pigments because the top row is super bright and colorful. So this is the Island Babe palette. These colors right here might go really well with our pigments. We also have some pressed glitters if you're into pressed glitters as well. There are 24 colors in this palette. It's really cute, actually. I kind of like this purple. I don't even wear purple eyeshadow, but this purple is really pretty. So the last palette we have here is this one. It is the Solar Glow eyeshadow palette. It is 18 shades. It's really big. This is a big one compared to the Island Babe one. So let's open this up for you. So this is the Solar Glow palette. Tons of pressed glittery shades. We have a bunch of mattes and a bunch of neutral mattes. So I like this one. I think this one's a really cool palette. This color right here, Inferno, does it for me because it's so cool. I don't know, I really like this shade. This makes me want to use this palette and just use a bunch of the neutral shimmers. But we're going to use one of the neon pigments today. So we're going to use the Island Babe palette and then one of the neon pigments, I think. Okay, so my eyelids are primed, and I'm going to go ahead and start with the Sigma E38 brush, which is available in my brush set with Sigma if you haven't checked that out already. So I don't know what to do. Which pigment are we going to use? I'm wearing black. I have purple hair. I kind of want to use the pink pigment or one of the orange ones. I never wear orange eyeshadow unless it's for a warm tone moment. I don't wear just orange, so let's do orange. Let's go for the bright, the Halloween-y orange. This one right here, because I don't mess with orange that much, so we're gonna try it out today. First things first, I'm gonna go ahead and let's use Shine, which is the yellow. We're gonna use the yellow. I'm gonna buff that into the inner portion of my lid just a little bit, just to set our primer right here. I didn't put down a bunch of concealer on the lid. I just used regular eyelid primer, so this isn't gonna be the best application of the yellow, but we're not doing a yellow look, so the orange should show up just fine. Also, that is really pigmented and really easy to use. Now to build off of that, let's go into Tangerine, which is the bright orange shade. Also, I could clean off this mirror. Take the protective paper off of it. Ah! It's stuck to my hand. Okay. Tangerine next. I'm going to buff that all over the crease. Except for the inner portion we put the yellow. We're going to leave the yellow alone. So this orange was really pigmented and really easy to use. That was really easy. I want to add a little bit of depth because now it's just orange. We're going to add orange to the lid anyways. I'm going to take Heat, which is kind of a muted kind of color, which is this one right here. And we're just going to add a little bit of something to the orange, because right now it's like very stagnant orange. Just want to add a little bit of something to it. Alright, now I'm going to carve out a little bit of lid space for our neon pigment. Yeah. I was like, should I just add a little bit to the center? I'm like, no, just go for it. We're probably going to lose a lot of the yellow in this, and that's completely fine. The yellow is just kind of a base color. So I have a little bit of lid space carved out, and I opened this, and oh my gosh, it's so orange. Like, the camera doesn't do it justice. It is so neon. It's crazy. Like, that's a good thing. Of course, like, it's advertising as a neon pigment. But I'm gonna, like, tap off all the excess I can and, like, pack this onto that concealer, because I don't want this going everywhere. But it is really good loose pigment. It does feel very soft, and it's applying quite nicely, and super neon. Like, sometimes when you press a loose pigment, they don't look the same, but this is still like uber neon. Woo! Alright, so it is orange. I'm going to take my blending brush now back into the tangerine shade from the palette and just kind of buff these two together. I like the idea of the cut crease, but I kind of want this all to be like more mushed together and not so carved out. I'm also going to go over that yellow too. Since we lost most of the yellow, I'm just going to make it orange. Honestly, because like we're going to let this orange have its freaking moment today. And I kind of like the fact that we added that heat shade with a little bit of red to it, just so it's not like, it's more like, I hope that makes sense. Alright, so while we're here, I'm going to go ahead and add heat, which is the beauty color I went into, and just brush it under the lower lash line with the Sigma E55 brush, which is again in my brush set. Alright, so I look a little bit crazy, but I'm going to pop on some mascara, lashes, lipstick. I'll be right back and we'll show you the finished look. Alright, hello, I'm back. I had no idea what lipstick to wear with this like eye look. But this is the eye look. Oh my god, it is so cute. Like, I love that we blended the cut crease together with everything else. Like, I'm glad we put the concealer down to make this really pop and stick to the neon pigment. But, like, I love it all buffed out. I don't know how I feel about the rest of my face, so my skin doesn't look too great today, and my lipstick is like... But the eyeshadow! Oh my gosh. I love it. These are the Pinky Rose Disco lashes as well, in case you're wondering what the lash are. But this is the finished look. What do we think? I love the eyeshadow. I think it's so fun. I want to try some other colors. I want to try the blue one and the pink one next, because I feel like the orange, like I don't like the color orange generally unless it's a hair color, but this is just so fun and like so unexpected for myself. I don't really like mess with things like this, so I'm super excited. I want to try some more neon stuff in the future. If you guys want to see more videos with me trying out these pigments and like stuff from Glamierre, please let me know. The palette itself, really nice. Things we use I really enjoy. The neon pigment, super cool. I think it's my favorite thing. It's just so fun, and the loose pigment isn't super messy, which is one thing a lot of loose pigments are. This one was not. Overall, everything looks really pretty. I like the look of the other eyeshadow palette as well as the highlighter palette too. So if you guys want to check out Glamierre, I'll leave their website at the top of the description box. Thank you guys again for sending me these products. It's so much fun. Look how fun. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you have an awesome day wherever you are, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.